There's a deer at the campsite. Oh, you gotta move, baby. Oh, you gotta move, baby.
Wow.
Aww.
Deer crossing.
It's lost. Is that a baby?
Yeah, it's a baby deer.
It's a baby.
My goodness.
Baby deer. Right here at St. Andrews State Park. Good morning, guys. I am coming to you from Panama City Beach, Florida, and this is actually on the lagoon side. It's St. Andrews State Park, and anyway, there's lots of little wildlife creatures and things like that here. When we come in, there was a deer, and now there's some sort of crane just hanging out. Don't care about the noise I'm making, just hanging out. And anyway, so this is a really beautiful place. It rained the first part of the day, but the sun is shining. It's cleared up a little bit now. So see, there's a little bird, and there's the crane, and there's boats out there. Really nice, pretty place. Hey guys, we found us a little spot on the beach here in Panama City. This is really close to St. Andrews State Park. St. Andrews is very close to the day use beaches, and it's just really nice. Love it. Love, love, love. Gotta tuck it in somewhere.
They're beautiful. Julie Parsons. Never said a prayer that he could not answer, and I've never shed a tear that he could not cry. And when the waves of life seem so high that you can't count them. Oh, he'll roll you over the tide. Yes, he'll roll you over the tide. Amen.
Wonder how close I can get to him.
That ain't for me.
Looks like he's asleep. He's actually sleeping. He just opened his eyes. Alright, well. Back away real slow. Let's get Julie's reaction.
Ain't my favorite thing.
It ain't. At least we're in running distance. Right, see, that's why they keep this right here, so you can run. But yeah, he's alive. He's alive. It ain't just a statue. He's living.
It's not a movie.
Look at his home right there.
Hey guys, we are just pulling out of our campsite here at St. Andrews State Park, and we've had a really good time. It's a really nice park. It's been, well, the first day or day and a half was really nice weather and everything, but yesterday it turned cold, very, very cold, and we almost lost our awning last night. I tried to video it, but I'm pretty sure the video is not going to be great since it was quite dark and very, very windy, and the wind caught our awning. We didn't get it up in time, and so the boys had to go out and hold it, and it was a sight. So anyway, praise God, we got it in. I think it's okay, and we're headed out of St. Andrews today and headed to a church. We may stop off by the beach one more time and let the boys see it, and then we're gonna go head to the church where we've got to sing tonight, and so we'll see you then.
Oh, if you're still breathing, there's still hope.
Amen. Dream deep of me, taking every part